What is up? It's your boy Kai Gamer. We back at again with another video. Today we're gonna be playing this Flood Survival. I saw the pros, the other YouTubers, the best YouTubers play this, and I'm about to get to it. Oh ding, 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 Flood, get up there. I think this might fall down though. Good rush it. Oh, I jumped it. That was a risky. That was really risky. I'm happy I'm not on that house. Oh, he's pretty lucky. He's pretty lucky. Come on, dude. Oh, yeah, I'm wearing these Jordans. Para Jordans. I don't know. Adidas, maybe? Oh, dang. Ooh, that should have died. Well, I shouldn't have died. Happy I didn't. Zelda? Map chosen. Hotel. This was just, we just had it. Alright, tons. I'm about to see if I can survive right here. If not, then I'm stupid. Well, I'm no kind of. No, I'm not stupid, guys. Probably won't survive it. Yo, we did survive. Yeah, that was. They were gonna let me cheat with that one. That I should have. I already been died. They was gonna let me cheat that one. Paintball gun. You need 30 more Robux to buy the paintball gun. No damage. Game Pass. Would you like to buy? 80 Robux. Then 80 Robux. Green balloon. Oh, this kind of works now. Oh, dang. People got on it. It can kind of launch you up. Now, this is a different map. Now, this reminds me of a game that I played back in. Not Roblox. I played Roblox for a while now. Oh, gosh. I'm dead. Yep. Goodbye, world. And I didn't even have a chance to climb. Wow. Look at that. My head just fell. Look at that. That place is drowned. I feel sorry for everybody down there, because this is heaven. Oh, somebody sent me a friend request. What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, it's your boy Cat Game. What? I can't jump. What's with my jump button? Now we can jump. Dang it, I died. Well, we're up here. Well, I'm about to say by myself, but we up here with a guest. That's good enough, right? That's good enough, though, right? Yo, what does that look like in the distance? Oh, looks like a person that's staring down at us, watching us our every move. Oh, he doing parkour. One person survived. That's not good. Person survived. Where that survivor? I'm supporting you in the vid. The town. Oh dang. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be up here, but I think I'm about to die. I'm happy I survived. I'm happy. No! Why did I go down there? Why? Why did I do that? I do not know why I just did that, guys. Whoa. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. The net wave will begin. I didn't have enough time to read it. Map chosen, camp. Wow, that was unexpected. I could have died right there. Right then and there, or lost a leg. Or even worse, lost them both. I'm gonna stand right here, because look. If the middle, like this stuff falls and this thing's still standing, I'm gonna be on it. I'm gonna be. Ooh, he died. Ooh. Dude, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Why did he drop a bananas? I'm a banana. That's what it reminds me of. I'm a banana. I'm a banana. Golden Friend 2. That's my character. If you guys want to send me a friend request, leave me a comment down below. Comment section down below. If you want to be my friend on Roblox, and I will friend you. Just trust me. If you're on the game with me, then I'll friend me, and I'll set your friend request. All right, but you can't take advantage of your boy, cause he need first I need y'all to subscribe. Then y'all send me friend requests. Then I will accept them, and then we're gonna be friends. That's it. I ain't giving out free passes. I ain't one of those losers. No, I lost half of my butt, and then I died. Come on now, come on. I thought I wasn't gonna win though, because look at that. That half that building, that whole building like split apart from the bottom. Wow. Come on, jump it. I'll be up here with my sister. It would have been way fun. Map chosen, castle. Now this structures right here, this should be enough to hold down everything that's coming. Because, oh dang, I might get on this cross. Don't worry about me. I'm on this cross. Because I got nothing. Oh yeah, I wasn't definitely gonna survive. Whoa. I'm lucky. Nah, I'm lucky. I'm a god. I'm on a cross. This is kind of like disrespectful, but it saved my life, you know? And he saved us. That building broke apart, yo. That was easy. Actually, the only thing I had to do was stand on the cross. I don't really need to die. Forget about it. Oh yeah, my jump ability's coming back. For some reason my jump stops and then it starts up again where are we at? Ark or something? Now this place looks like it's gonna freaking melt, I guess. That's ice right there. Or snow or something. Dang. Oh yeah, all of that is ice. They're dead. Oh gosh. No, you remember in the beginning of the video, guys, we started dying and stuff. We was dying and stuff. Yeah, I'm not doing that no more. I'm a survivor. I'm sure we are at the top of the list. Let's go. At first, I thought this was a girl costume, but they give the girls costume to the girls. Dun dun, can't touch it. Dun 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 dun, can't touch this. Oh. Oh gosh, no. Oh yeah, the cross. It saved my life last time. Get on it. This saved my life. Oh dang. Dude, I don't think you're gonna survive. That building right there last time when I was on this cross, that building got wrecked. I'm just telling you that now. And this is a castle. Wow. But I like the gravestones and stuff. They did a real good job with all of this, that extra stuff. They need to add this to Survive the disasters. Not survive wasteland. Now this rusty old place, all of that's just gonna died here last time for some reason. I don't even think that's safe going to the top. That's what everybody doing, but I'ma try it. No, I'm dead. No, get up, get up. I'll be satisfied with the second floor. Yeah, I'm satisfied with this for now. But if this bottom half breaks, I'm done. Oh yeah, we're dead. We're dead. No, no. They say no. Did you just see that glitch, guys? Or was it supposed to happen? I don't know. That did not make sense. That part right there didn't make any sense right there. This is a school. Everybody think it's always safe to go to the top of the buildings, but really it's really not. You know why? Because top buildings, they don't care. You can die from that stuff. Dang, I don't feel like I'm gonna be able to survive on this building. Let me look at the bottom. It's drowned. Oh yeah, we're dead. No, that building over there, that structure is dead. Oh, survive. Hold it down for your boy. Come on, guys. Oh, they surviving. They pro. Good job. Good job. Even though that building broke, good job. I probably wouldn't survive that. I would probably freaked out and then started moving around my character trying to get past and then probably would have died. Y'all know what's gonna happen. Dang. They lost their legs. And he lost an arm and a leg. What happened to the other boy? And he just lost his legs. This guy lost his legs. The other one just lost his leg. He lost his leg and his arm. His legs and his arm. Oh. Yo, I was about to die. Oh God, we're dead. Yep, I was gonna freak out. And we died. Why did it come so fast? I didn't even have time to pick one. Who is it? It's your boy, Kai Gamer. We about to play the game. We about to survive the day. I might pick a different one. That part over there, that's me. Let me survive over there. Or did I die? Get off that structure. Did I just die? I died. That structure fell over. Well, I thought something happened. Alright, you guys, we're gonna do two more. Two more since I'm enjoying this. Yo, there's like a tomb in here. Yeah, we're not gonna die. We're gonna die, aren't we? We didn't have that floor level. Look at it. Went right through the bottom. Wow. Jump it. Wow. Those three just survived. Wow. Okay. All right. Two more. Then I said it. Yeah. You got one more after this one. Wow, we keep going to this hotel. That's the mostly thing. And I survived on this thing last time. It was too easy. I might choose a different one. This house. Might survive it. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, I didn't even see that. I thought it was a full roof. I'm in a full thing. It got that little circulation of them bricks right there. Oh, 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 oh. Why did I choose after I just... Whoa. See, I told you I would freak out. And I survived. That person athletic. Watch out. Come on. Yeah. Why did I even choose that building after I just saw it break to pieces last time? He really wanted me to fall. Can't get my pants. Whoa. Oh, I face. Yo, I'm sitting down. Get up. Oh, dang. We're gonna drown. There's a stranger in us all. E. Come on. This is the last one. You guys. Oh, dang. Dang. It's just like, I was like, come at me, bro. And they just unleashed the spirits like, come on now. They can't get your boy? Like, your boy too smart? Overall, we survived a lot. Alright, you guys. I'm going to end this video here. If you like what you saw, please comment down below and tell me what you want. Do you want more Roblox? And I will make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this video. And I will see you guys next time. Peace. But as you know, before we end the video, we play a little song for you guys. We're gonna make it all tonight. Hey, 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 hey. It's not on Moby Son. It's the song of my life, my dream. My dreams wanna be turned up. You know, it's my new in the intro. You know, it's my new in the intro. We got to get it in. We got to get it in. I'm about to put it up here. You guys, you gotta wait to just tell me.
You're not using my blame. Matter of fact, keep your blame.
Dun, 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 dun. You about to get it in right now. Let's go, you guys. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna start the video. We're about to end it off with the song. Y'all know it. Make y'all about to get hype.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, turn me up, you turn me up, believer, believer. Hey, turn me down, you turn me up, believer, believer. Let the waters flow, let them rain. My love, my love, my life, it came from. Hey, flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
That's it, you guys. I'm gonna end it here. You like what you saw, please comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Well, I don't know why I just said that again, but I heard you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. This is your boy Kai Gamer. We are out. Peace.